Arũrũngani arĩa thirikari yugĩte matabanirie ciĩko cia ũtoi mĩrũrũngano-inĩ ya kũririkana Sabasaba no megũkathĩko thitango cia ũtoi. Minista wa ũgitĩri Kipchumba Murkomen akiuga gũtirĩ bado thirikari na igoti rigomete matu-inĩ mayo kĩwatho.
I saw the interview of the LSK president and I was surprised that she was arrogating herself the position of a judge. We have presented the evidence to court. How did she assess that it was not watertight? And how did she assess that he did not miss the threshold? That is a court process, you know. Once, and there is no court that admits a charge sheet that is defective.
Agiukirira president wa kiama kia mawakiri Faith Odhiambo, Murkomen augite thirikari iri na wira muiganu wa ati ciĩko cia ũtoi nĩ ciabatabanirio muthenya ũcio na ũguo LSK ndĩbatie gutetera arĩa manyitwo na mabitia tamaya hĩndĩ ya mũrũrũngano.
I want to ask the LSK to concentrate on pushing for rule of law, and that rule of law includes taking suspects to court. Once they go to court, the president can either turn herself to become a defense counsel and therefore speak on behalf of the defense, but she can also speak on behalf of the people of Kenya who are suffering. I'm yet to hear LSK speak about the courts that were banned, the police stations that were banned, to speak about the vehicles that were banned, to speak about supermarkets that were looted and banned using petrol bombs. I want her to appreciate that she's not speaking for criminals only.
Ona gũkĩrĩ ũguo, minister ũyũ akinyĩrĩirie atĩ mabitia marĩa arũrũngani aya mathitangĩirwo namo matigwo ikorokio na njĩra o yothe.
There are some people who are trying to intimidate judges, magistrates, so that they can give lighter bail terms and lighter sentences. I want to ask the judiciary and the Chief Justice to stand firm.
Murkomen arĩtie arĩ mwena wa Eldoret, kaunti-inĩ ya Uasin Gishu, tabarĩra-inĩ ya jukwaa la usalama. Ngeribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Mercy wa Ndia wa Mũrĩithi.